Kid that could look at blood and guts, but something happened to an animal. He couldn't take it. He couldn't take it. Okay, I'll tell you the story about the maggots. Okay.
My favorite.
Yeah.
So he's little. He's about 2 or 3 years old. I can't remember. I could just see him though. He was sitting outside on the steps. It was early in the morning, and we used to put our garbage out by the back steps. We lived on Schuyler Avenue. And so Shannon's sitting out there with nothing on but just a little pair of underwear. And I'm walking out the steps, and he's got all these maggots. They're on the steps, and they're just crawling around, and he's picking them up and playing with them and all that. And I said, oh, my God. I mean, I panicked. I really panicked. I panic even now. and he is playing with these little things, and I'm smashing them with my feet. I'm smashing them, grabbing him up, and, to give him a bath or something. And he's saying, oh, Mommy, those are my friends. So that is a sweet story. I like that. Those are my friends.